Let's check the first sum. What is this first sum of consecutive terms in AP? Find three consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is minus 3 and product of their cubes is 512. So they say there are three terms which are in AP, three consecutive terms which are in AP. Their sum is minus 3. Sum of all the three is minus 3 and the product of all the three is 512, and we need to find out the three consecutive terms. So I did mention in my previous slide that I'm going to make you understand why we are going with A minus D, A and A plus D when it comes to three terms, and why not A plus D and A plus 2D. I remember I said that. So let me start with my solution. We initialize with it. Let the three consecutive terms in an AP be A minus D, A plus D. Right? We take the first condition. Sum of whose is minus 3. That means sum of all the three. Sum of all three terms is minus 3. Therefore, it is A minus D plus A plus D is minus 3. Am I right? What happens is that minus D plus D gets cancels off. I am left with 3A is minus 3. A equals to minus 1. I'm yet to give you the answer. What is the answer now? Sir, why not? So let me use this red marker to make you understand why not. Had I taken this as A, three terms as A plus D and A plus 2D as three consecutive terms, what would be my this condition be? A plus D plus A plus 2D, which is minus 3. 3A plus 3D is minus 3. 3 common, A plus D is minus 3. Divide by 3, A plus D is minus 1. So don't you think so I will not get the value of A directly? I'll get a simultaneous linear equation. Are you getting me, children? The moment I take this one, I'll get a simultaneous linear equation. Then I have to have one more, and then, as I said, that's the reason I mentioned in my slide that the solving the sum will become difficult. Sum solving will become difficult. That's the reason we don't go with. I hope my children have understood why. So henceforth we are not going to, and we are going to keep in our mind what I said. What are the three consecutive terms, 4 consecutive terms, and 5 consecutive terms? And answer to all of them is what I give you right now. For that matter, 3, 4 or 5, I give you right now the answer why we are not taking that way and why we are going with this way. Come back to our question. So on adding all the three, we get minus 3, 3A is minus 3, A is minus 1. So we are done with the first condition. What is the second condition? Product of their cubes. Product of their cubes is 512. So what is the second condition? Also, product of their cubes is 512. Mind you, product of their cubes is 512. So what will I say? First, A minus D cube into A cube into. So if you want, you can place into rather than dot. A plus D the whole cube. The answer is 512. Are you getting me, children? What next? Can I say, since it is product of all the cubes, so shall I say the whole cube? Shall I say the whole cube? And I'll rearrange it to say A minus D, A plus D. A cube, A minus D cube, A plus D cube is 512. Any problem, children? Now I shall say taking cube roots at this juncture. Taking cube roots. What will happen? A minus D into A plus D a square minus d square, a minus d into a plus d, a square minus d square, taking cube roots. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 512 is 8. Now we shall place the value of x, which is minus 1. A being minus 1, a square minus 1 square is 1, minus d square is 8. What next? Open down, open down. Minus 1 into minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus d square is equals to 8. Bring this here, d square equals to 9. D square equals to 9. Taking square roots. Taking square roots. D is equals to plus or minus 3. Taking square roots, d is equals to plus or minus 3. Now, with d as plus or minus 3, let's proceed further to get our values. What are the terms? Therefore, the three terms are, now you must be wondering that, sir, we have got two values of d, right? So let the three terms are a, let me say with d as plus 3, let the three terms are a minus d, a and a plus d, and next the three terms are with d as minus 3. Actually, both the answers are going to be same, only to make you understand that we will take both the conditions, plus and minus, but answers are going to be the same. Let's start. When we say a minus d, a is minus 1, d is plus 3, so minus 1 plus 3 is 2. A, which is minus 1, and a plus d, a is minus 1, this is plus 3, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. I'm so sorry, first it was a minus d, my mistake, a minus d, so here it is minus 3, here it is minus 3, so this is going to be minus 4, correction, minus 4, minus 1, and here it is going to be 2. So what are the three terms? Minus 4, minus 1 and 2. What if when d is minus 3? The three terms are a minus d, a and a plus d. So a minus of minus plus 3. So I'll say minus 1 plus 3. How much is minus 1 plus 3? 2. My a is minus 1 and a is minus 1 plus d, which is minus 3. How much is minus 1 minus 3? Answer will be minus 4. Minus 1 minus 3, answer is minus 4. So my three terms are 2 minus 1 minus 4, or you can say minus 4 minus 1 2. Are you getting me? Let's cross check our answer whether we are right or wrong. Now when we have got it, that the terms are the same, let me say whether we have right or not. I feel I should write down minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, 2 rather than saying 2 minus 1. You know, it will follow order from negative to positive. Let's cross check. Cube of this, cross check mind you. So let me show you with a different marker. Cube of minus 4, minus 64. Cube of minus 1, minus 1. Cube of 2, 8. Minus 64 into minus 1, plus 64. Plus 64 into 8, plus 5 and 2. Right? So our condition is getting satisfied. So what are the three consecutive terms? The three consecutive terms are minus 4, minus 1 and 2.